Recline the car seat as far as possible, using the relative handle. Always install Group 0 Plus child car seats facing backwards. Insert the vehicle's 3-point safety belt between the child car seat and the base and connect it to the vehicle seat buckle, threading the abdominal strap through the 2 blue slot guides on the rear side of the backrest. Extend the vehicle's safety belt as far as possible and thread it through the slot on the side of the backrest, facing the person installing the device. Check that the vehicle's safety belt is sufficiently tensioned and installed correctly. Do not use the booster cushion if the child weighs over 6 kilos. Installation for Group 1, from 9 to 18 kilos in weight. Always install Group 1 child car seats facing forwards. Recline the car seat as far as possible, using the relative adjustment handle. Insert the vehicle's 3-point safety belt between the child car seat and the base and connect it to the vehicle seat buckle. Thread the abdominal vehicle safety belt through the 2 red slot guides on the rear side of the child car seat. Pull the vehicle safety belt out as far as possible. Use one finger to press and hold the clasp button on the side of the person installing the device, and thread the diagonal section of the vehicle safety belt through it. Thread the upper section of the diagonal vehicle safety belt inside the slot guide on the side of the child car seat. Release the restraint harness, pressing the red button on the buckle. Remove the ends of the clasps from the locking plate on the rear side of the backrest. Unthread the harness straps on the shoulder strap locking plates through the respective slots on the backrest. Thread the locking plates and harness straps through the slots at the desired height. Connect the clasp ends to the locking plate. Fit the child in the child car seat with the safety harness in place. Adjust the straps so they are tight enough. Pull in the buckle until it fits firmly against the child's shoulders.